Good morning and welcome to Boatshed Norfolk. Today's new listing is this rather stunning 17 metre Dutch built barge, currently used as a liverboard. As you will see, she's been completely refurbished over the last 3 years and it has been done extremely tastefully. So we'll take you downstairs into the main saloon area. So as you can see, the heating's by way of a diesel fired heating system to a wet radiator system, which I have to say it's 4 or 5 degrees outside and it's around about sort of 20 degrees in here. It works extremely well. Very modern galley. As I say, all the work's been done basically from a shell over the last 3.5 years, so everything you can see is pretty much new. Absolutely stunning period portholes. And just walking through into the master cabin, full size double bed, access all round. Again, another radiator in there. Excellent storage, 240 volt sockets. Very clean, dry boat. Absolutely lovely place to be. Just coming back forward now, so facing aft, as you can get a feel there from the galley on your port side. Fully equipped with full size oven, full size gas burner. Sink unit, hot and cold water of course. Into the heads again with a heated towel rail. Wash basin, rather lovely. And then obviously we've got a shower cubicle. As you can see, fully tiled. Good size shower tray, sorry. Chemical toilet. There is plumbing in there for a sea toilet if required. But the owner just preferred the Portaloo type option, which is fine. But if you did want a pump out or electric toilet, as I said, the plumbing's there for that to be done. So just finishing off here in the saloon, we've got the wood burner, log burner, electric radiator, wet system radiator, and there she is. Beautiful boat on the market today with boatshednorfolk.com. Please take a look at her on the website. We'll have lots and lots of photographs for you to see, along with external video of this boat and also 360 degree images of the interior. So thank you very much for watching.